Hello friend, welcome back to my another new video. So I am Kamrul Hassan Sojib. In this video, I going to show you the Power MTA SMTP server inbox deliverability check. Power MTA is a enterprise level business software. You need to purchase this software from Spark Post website. I using a trial version of this MTA. Power MTA can be used to send bulk email like everyday 10k to 100k email per day. You can send email in inbox. If you can set up the Power MTA properly, I just finished my client Power MTA SMTP server setup and do a test of the inbox deliverability inside the GMAS inbox tester. So here I doing live inbox test. This is the Power MTA console panel. I send 10 email from this server. That means in 10 out 10 outgoing traffic is 10. If I send another test email from the GMAS SMTP tester to the GMAS inbox, so go to GMAS inbox tester for checking the inbox rate of the Power MT SMTP server. Go to GMAS inbox test website for check for inbox deliverability check. You can copy any of the email address. For example, I copy this email address and send a test email from the Power MT SMTP server. Just copy this email address and send a test email. Click test it. So we successfully send a test email from the Power MT SMTP server and check the Power MT console. So it is value is increased. Previously Power MT console value was 10, now it is 11. That means we send a test email successfully from the Power MT SMTP server and check the inbox. Copy our email address and paste. So wait for some time, it will arrive. So our mail landed in inbox just 1 minute ago. It was delivered, and let's send another test email. Just copy any of the GMAS inbox tester email. Copy this email address and send another test email. And this is our Power MT setup score check. We got 9.2 out of 10. It the result would be 10 out of 10. This is a new domain, that's why it is 9.2. But from new domain, my email hitting in inbox because my Power MT SMTP server IP is very clean. So let's send another test email to this address. Click test the PowerMT SMTP server. So another test email delivered successfully. Check the PowerMT console. Now it is 12 and check the email. 0 second ago our mail landed in inbox. So this is the test email. So if you want to set up a PowerMT SMTP server, want to fix any email deliverability issue or need any consultation, you can contact with me through WhatsApp. Here I give you my contact info inside the YouTube video description box, and let me know if you have any question. Thanks for watching my video.